So hello everyone and welcome. Today we are going to study a little about where to find free resources to learn machine learning and also Python. So like when you type machine learning for free, instead of that you go to Kaggle and here you will find some good material to study. So this is the first link that you will open, okay? And you scroll down, you can sign up always, right? And this I'm showing you without sign in. So you scroll down till the end and you will find here courses. Okay, so in the courses you can see view all. Let's open this and see. And here you can see it's introduction to programming Python, introduction to machine learning pandas, intermediate machine learning, data visualization, and so on. Okay, so there's no lack of resources here in Kaggle to learn, and always you can code here, compete and enhance your ranking on Kaggle. This also helps in interviews and also in getting an edge over other candidates. Okay, so these are some lessons. Like I have clicked on introduction to programming, and here you can begin this course. So 5 hours to go, that means it's 5 hour course, and you can start this with the printing hello world, and then when you will see all these things, lastly you will be told to exercise this thing also. Okay, so you can scroll on these courses, whatever courses they have. Introduction to machine learning, it's also interesting course. So how model work, it's a tutorial here, and it's like just a 3 hours course. You can just sit in one sitting and complete this. What is model validation, how do you do this, little concepts behind that. And this is like for free, you can get this knowledge, right? Underfitting, overfitting, machine learning competitions also it is giving you, so that you can work on that. So now moving on to our next resource, and that is tensorflow.org. So I'll be providing these links in the description box also, don't worry. And here you can what you do, what you can do, this TensorFlow, it is giving you many resources also. Learn ML libraries, extensions, even books you can get here. So when you go for online courses, you would find here some courses which are free and which are not free. So you can always opt for courses which are free. This, like for example, this course, introduction to TensorFlow for deep learning. Then you have got machine learning crash course, introduction to deep learning, and so on. And you can visit the courses which are free, definitely. And if you want to improve on your math concept like linear algebra, calculus, and so on, so you can also see this linear algebra for beginners. This is also free, and this will really help you to enhance your mathematical skills which are being involved in the algorithms. So these courses are free, and this is from, you can see this is from MIT. Linear algebra, how it works, the maths behind that, and how it is used in algorithms, right? So these courses are free, you can definitely go and learn. There's no dearth of resources. Okay, this calculus, single variable calculus, and so on. So you can just go ahead and scroll this website. It's a very useful website. You can view this book. It's O'Reilly's very useful and very good book. They publish here. So this is the resource, and I'll provide these links in the description so that you can learn and really earn well. Okay, so that's it for this video, and do comment in the comment section which videos you want next. I am planning for data visualization series in Tableau. So yes, wait for that in this coming week. So thank you, and take care.